Hi! In front of me is TCL for DSE, and today I would like to show you how to operate App Cloner on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down. Now choose Advanced Features and select App Cloner. Now you need to click on this writer next to one of those available apps that you wish to clone, in my case Facebook. Then wait a bit and click Home button. Now when I go back, as you can see, my Facebook app was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!